Hey guys, so today Kevin is going to be dropping by. He needs garage space to put on his BMR wheel control arms on his GT500. Hopefully we can catch him as he's pulling in, but I don't know. I doubt we're going to be able to time it. But anyway, it's a GT500. He needs the garage space to be able to do it. So I've offered him, he's actually right here. We did catch him. So, Kevin, you could pull it right in. You could pull it right in if you want. I don't know if you want to do it facing the other way, or
whichever way, whatever you think's best. You want to head in or back in?
We probably have more room if you just head in.
Okay.
So hey, that was perfect timing. But anyway, so as you can see, I've already cleared the cars. So we're going to be doing the rear control arms. You can back up. I'll get in when you're on the street.
Alright guys, car on the ground, going for our first test drive. We are turning the air on. Boy, it is hot now. Hopefully the wind doesn't hit the microphone too much. Don't need that. Alright, see if these controllers make any kind of difference.
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
So if you want to just like, I don't know, however you want to park it, like just right between, maybe between the, just like in between the three of them. So between 28 and 27, like maybe angle it or something.
Right.
Yeah. Move up a little. Move up a little.